Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here again. Safety first. Today we are going to be wrenching on the Super Duty ambulance RV conversion, and I just wanted to show you guys something that I found or discovered. Should have discovered this a while back, but I was trying to trace down the control panels here, and in case one of you are looking for this is the front of the vehicle, and I did this before I realized that's where the control panel was, but we went ahead and installed the flat screen on here. But just by lifting this, it reveals part of our control panel here, all the switches and fuses and links and all that. And down here, what's neat about this, once you open it, it's illuminated for you, and these are all for switches. I'm not sure where half of this stuff goes to, but appears to be miles upon miles of wiring. So it's something we'll sort out at some point. Neat feature here. This is if I can turn you guys around, it's a fail-safe switch for emergencies only. So you can flip this on and it will energize the rear, the house, as they call it, or the back compartment here, independent of the switch up front. All right, so thought that was neat, but that's one thing I came across. I didn't realize there was two panels, and that was neat to finally get around to. I haven't had a chance to really delve into this, but what we're going to be doing today, guys, we're going to be doing the fuel filters, and on this vehicle is 2, and that's a part number right there. And you need a 36 socket to remove the oil filter housing, and it's very similar to doing the oil filter. If you've done the oil filter on a vehicle, these oil filters are in essence very similar, the fuel filters here, to the oil filters. Okay, and they come in 2s, come in a package of 2, and that's a part number F450. It's a 2008 F450 Super Duty diesel 6.4. Another thing I picked up was a AC drive belt here. I'm planning on having the AC system went out, or the compressor failed, so plan on having that done soon. All right, and what else do we have? So let me take you around front, and I'm going to show you where the first filter is. So if this is not confusing enough for you, this is as we are looking at the vehicle. So the first one in the right here, that's going to be your fuel filter. All right, this one is an oil filter, and they both use the same 36mm socket. All right, easy enough. And we're gonna attempt to take you under the vehicle here to show you the rest of the system. All right, so on an ambulance, I would take it as pretty similar to F450 pickup trucks, but might be a little bit different for them. But this right here is the fuel drain. You'd flip the switch, drain out the fluid, and this is the second filter right here. Oops. That's the second filter right there, guys. All right, so there's a lot of room to play back here. You know, you can get up under there with the wrenches, get that off. And it's, like I said, it's similar to installing your oil filter. You want to make sure, you know, it comes with the new gaskets. You put those on. You want to make sure you tip a little fuel or oil in there when you're reassembling it for a proper seal and fit. And guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. If time permits, I think I'm going to tackle the oil change. Sorry, dropping you guys here. Oil change, just clean that up a bit. I have a small oil seepage. Also wanted to track that down and get that taken care of. Guys, this is her. And oh, so it appears that the city that had this ambulance before, which is Portsmouth Fire Rescue and Emergency Services, they went ahead and they actually bulletproof this vehicle. You know that the EGR is a big weak point on these vehicles, these 6.4s. So they went ahead, they have a EGR delete kit, the cap off here, was done professionally, so no issues. It also appears that the DPF, the diesel particulate filter, is also not or non-existent on this vehicle. So that's a good thing, because that's another popular failure point in these Super Duties. But I was happy to discover that. You know, two less worries, two less things you have to worry about, essentially. So that's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead. It's a pretty straightforward job, even though I have changes on this vehicle. It's pretty easy, just like your German European vehicles, Mercedes, BMWs, with the oil filter right on top, easily accessible, and you just drain at the bottom, and that's it. So guys, again, One Key Car Garage. We're going to be doing some maintenance and some you know, getting it ready for the road. So that's it, guys. Talk to you soon.